time for now WION Newsroom, where Aatish Juneja will be joining us to break down the big business stories shaping your money and the economy. And with us is also Vidar Kathuria, who will take us through all the action from the world of sports. We begin by going over to Aadya for all the business updates. Over to you, Aadya.
Thank you so much, Jyotsna. From Asian markets waiting for Nvidia's earnings and fresh AI signals to new US immigration costs for H-1B workers and Germany's economy showing surprising resilience. Well, here are the key global business stories shaping markets today. Starting with Asian stocks now, the stocks were largely muted on Tuesday as investors held back ahead of Nvidia's earnings later this week. Tech shares remained under pressure after Alibaba launched a $10.2 billion share sale to fund its AI expansion. Nvidia is now seen as critical to the next leg of the AI rally, with analysts watching whether its results can justify the market's very high expectations. Investors are also watching German economic data and US consumer confidence for fresh clues on global growth. Speaking of it, US immigration policy now. The Trump administration is weighing a new H-1B fee of more than $100,000 for workers hired under the annual visa cap. Now, the proposed fee could reach around $103,265, adding a major cost for companies hiring skilled foreign professionals. Indians could be among the biggest groups affected, with Indian nationals accounting for around 70% of approved H-1B petitions in 2024-25. Now, the move comes as Washington also considers changes to post-study work and the grace period for laid-off high-skilled workers. And finally, Germany. Now, German GDP grew 0.3% in the second quarter, up from an initial estimate of 0.2%. Exports rose 2% from the previous quarter, helping Europe's biggest economy weather the impact of the Iran war and higher energy costs. Now, Germany's economy had already grown 0.4% in the first quarter, but the outlook remains challenging, with the government expecting full year of growth of just 0.5% as energy costs, Chinese competition and US tariffs continue to weigh. And that is it in business. Now for all the sports updates, it's over to you, Vidar.
Well, thank you so much, Aadya. First up in the world of sport, Xabi Alonso's reign as Chelsea manager began with a thrilling 3-2 victory over London rivals Fulham. Cole Palmer, who was left out of England's World Cup squad, was outstanding at Craven Cottage. He set up Joao Pedro's opener, which arrived just 31 seconds into the match and scoring what proved to be the winner. The club's record summer signing, Morgan Rogers, was also on target on his first Premier League outing for Chelsea. But it was far from a comfortable afternoon, or night rather, for Chelsea, as Fulham put up an encouraging display on Alvaro Arbeloa's first competitive match as head coach in the Premier League. Moving on, a group of influential footballers have piled pressure on Gianni Infantino, demanding change at the top of FIFA with a blunt message. Enough is enough. The statement carries extra weight as some signatories are FIFA ambassadors themselves, including former Manchester United and Arsenal defender Mikel Silvestri, who sits on FIFA's own Players' Voice panel. Others backing the call are England women's star Lucy Bronze, ex-England goalkeeper David James, and France's 1998 World Cup winner Emmanuel Petit. And finally, Carlos Alcaraz and Serena Williams begin their US Open mixed doubles campaign today. The pairing brings together the defending men's champion and a 23-time Grand Slam winner, marking Williams' first appearance at the tournament since her 2022 farewell. Alcaraz returns from a wrist injury that has kept him out since April, with the mixed doubles run doubling up as a warm-up before his singles title defense. The duo faces qualifiers Erin Rootcliffe and Lloyd Glasspool in round 1 at the Arthur Ashe Stadium. Well, that's it in the world of sport for now. It's back to you, Jyotsna.
Well, thank you so much, Vidar, for all these sports updates, and thank you, Aadya, for all of the business updates. Well, that's all on WION for now. News and updates will follow on the other side of a very short break. You're watching WION. Well, this one, do stay tuned.